when you're very successful, you can get away with being high maintenance. And high maintenance is being difficult to please, easy to upset. I don't recommend it. I don't like high maintenance people. But until you get to that status, you need to be low maintenance. Meaning you have to be appreciative. You have to be patient. You have to realize that all those people are doing the best they can. A friend of mine gave me this great mantra for life. And it was, assume innocence, and that whoever you're dealing with is doing the best they can with whatever they're dealing with. And also be grateful to them. I wrote a blog. This could be a book title. You're hearing it. I'm not going to write it. Be grateful and multiply. Because very few people feel that the world is grateful to them or enjoys them. So I always try to make a point of it to be grateful.